Are you looking for the best Android TV boxes? Android TV boxes remain a versatile gateway to streaming, gaming, and smart home media control, offering a low-cost path to Google TV, kodi-like flexibility, and local or networked media playback. With hardware moving fast, a budget device can still deliver 4K HDR streaming and competent app support, while mid-range and premium.
Product number 1. Android TV Box 10.0 4GB RAM. Overview. The CityWin T95-4-32 Android TV box runs Android 10.0 on an all-winner H616 quad-core CPU, delivering 4GB RAM and 32GB storage. It supports 4K playback with H265 decoding and claims 6K video output, plus 2.4G, 5G Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth 5.0. Priced around $36.98, it targets budget-conscious buyers who want reliable streaming with expandable storage via microSD/TF. The package includes a basic remote and HDMI cable, with standard Ethernet as a fallback to Wi-Fi. This box emphasizes compatibility and broad app support at a modest price point, making it an accessible option for casual viewers and families. Performance-wise, the H616 with 4GB RAM provides smoother multitasking than older 2GB boxes, though Android 10.0 means some newer apps may have tighter permissions or UI shifts compared with Android TV or Google TV devices. Real-world use shows solid 4K video decoding and typical streaming app performance, but expect occasional buffering if Wi-Fi is congested or apps are memory-heavy. The device shines for those who want local storage expansion and a straightforward, no-frills streaming.
Product number 2. Xiaomi TV Box S 3rd Gen. Overview. The Xiaomi TV Box S 3rd Gen brings Google TV to a compact 4K streaming box with 32GB storage, Wi-Fi 6, HDMI 2.1, and Dolby Vision Atmos support at a premium price of $77.99. It leverages a quad-core CPU up to 2.5 GHz and ARM G310 V2 GPU, offering snappy navigation and personalized content recommendations through Google TV, plus Chromecast capabilities and a broad app ecosystem. The form factor is small and discreet, with a dedicated voice remote and HDMI 2.1 compatibility aimed at better framing of 4K HDR content and smoother interface interactions. In daily use, the Google TV experience is the standout. It excels at content discovery and casting from mobile devices. However, RAM is only 2GB here, which can constrain heavy multitasking or memory-heavy apps, though the 32GB storage helps with app libraries. The device handles 4K 60fps streams with Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos where supported, and Wi-Fi 6 5.2 provide robust
Product number 3. Android 14.0 TV Box 2025. Overview. This easy-tone model targets value seekers with Android 14.0, RK3518 CPU, 2GB of RAM, and 16GB of ROM, plus USB 3.0, HDMI, Bluetooth 5.0, and Wi-Fi 6. It claims 4K, 6K, and 8K decoding capabilities and HDR10 Plus support, a broad feature set for the price of $29.99. The inclusion of screencasting and a voice remote contributes to convenient control. The box highlights privacy-oriented Android 14, improved permissions, and expanded media playback capabilities, aiming to blend modern OS features with affordable hardware. Performance-wise, 2GB of RAM may be a bottleneck for heavy multitasking or high refresh rate apps, but Android 14.0's efficiency improvements can mitigate some lags compared with older Android versions. The RK3518 provides decent 4K playback and 8K decode capabilities as a theoretical ceiling. Real-world use will generally see smooth streaming for mainstream apps, with potential stutters in RAM-heavy multitasking.
Product number 4. Android TV Box 12.0 4GB 64GB. Overview. Transpeed's Android TV Box 12.0 runs Android 12 on an 8618 CPU with Mali G31 GPU, 4GB RAM, and 64GB ROM, expandable to 128GB. Priced at $42.99, it emphasizes 8K support, 3D, HDR10, and OTA updates, plus a mini backlit keyboard and dual-band Wi-Fi. The package includes a full array of connectivity options, including USB 2.0, Ethernet, and AirScreen or Miracast features, making it a feature-rich mid-range option that targets home theater enthusiasts who want flexible input-output and screen-sharing capabilities. Performance-wise, the H618-based box offers competent 4K and acceptable 8K-capable decoding, though real-time 8K content is scarce and demanding. 4 GB RAM helps with general navigation and app loading, but heavy multitasking or long gaming sessions could still show occasional stutter if many apps run concurrently. The bundled mini keyboard improves navigation, and OTA updates help keep software secure. It's a versatile box for media consumption.
Product number 5. Android 14.0 TV Box 2025 Overview. The budget LEFFOT box runs Android 14, as indicated in the description, on Arcade 3518 with 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of ROM, priced at $26.99. It emphasizes dual-band Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, HDR10, USB 3.0, and local media casting AirPlay DLNA, aiming to deliver a very cost-effective 4K streaming solution with basic app support and voice control via a remote. The compact form factor and dual Wi-Fi support position it as a starter device for those who want Google Play access and basic streaming without frills. Performance-wise, 2 GB of RAM and a lower-end Arcade 3518 configuration can feel constrained with modern multi-app sessions and memory-heavy apps. However, for straightforward streaming, YouTube, Netflix, Prime Video, and casual browsing, the device handles 4K HDR content reasonably well on an efficient Android 14 platform. Storage expansion